Hi, Damien with QA1. Today I'm going to put our heavy-duty tie rod sleeves on the 68 Chevelle. QA1 heavy-duty tie rod sleeves are made from solid steel hex stock. No split in them. They're going to be much stronger than the factory split sleeves. They do include jam nuts also. Go ahead and get this put on. Before you start removing the factory tie rod sleeves, first thing you want to do, take a measurement from center of tie rod to center of tie rod. Write that down. Once you get the new ones put in, go ahead and get that adjusted back to that same length, and that should get you pretty close on your alignment. Now I'm going to go ahead, loosen up the bolts, unscrew this, get this out of here, get the new one put on. Now as long as you've got your measurements right, tie rods are the same length as they were beforehand, and your toe was set correctly before, you should be all set to go. If your toe is off a little bit, it's best to take it in and have an alignment done. If you got any questions, go ahead and give us a call or check us out at QA1.net.